Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can crop an image on Adobe Express. So let's start. So first of all, we have to open the Google Chrome, and after that, we have to create an account on Adobe Express. And now we need to go to the document section. And after going to the document section, as you can see, it has the option for the view all. So we have to click on the view all. So as you can see, after opening this, as you can see, we have to scroll down. And after scrolling down, as you can see, it has the option for the crop image. So we have to click on the crop image. After clicking on the crop image, as you can see, it has the option for the browse. So we have to click on the browse. Let's click on this. And after clicking on this, we need to select the image, that which image we want to crop. So for example, I'm going to choose this one, and after that I'm going to click on the open, and the image will be uploaded. So as you can see, the image is uploaded. Now simply we have to choose that which area we want and which area we want to crop. I'm going to select this one. And after that, if you want to download, you have to click on the download. Or if you want to open this in editor, you have to click on this, and it will be opened into editor. Or if you want to do multiple editings or multiple functions, you can also do that here. So in this way, you can crop any kind of image in Adobe Express. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.